Alam naman natin that Malolos is the cradle of the First Republic, ang duyan ng unang republika. No, so makasaysayan ang lungsod ng Malolos at matalinhaga ang naibahagi niya sa ating kasaysayan. At tayong mga arkitekto, of course, when we formed Malolos Republika, kaya namin pinangalan ng Malolos Republika. Is because of that idea wherein architects are nation builders.
Happy Anniversary! Hanggang 2025!
This is very momentous for Baraswain chapter because we have been entrusted by the district and the area to host the opening ceremonies for Philippine Architectural Festival National Architecture Month 2025. It hasn't happened to us before, and it took the entire chapter to cooperate and cram and happily, lovingly, though stressfully, try to put this together, especially with our brothers and sisters in UAPGA and UAPSA, specifically UAPGA Bulacan and UAPSA Bulso.
In the profession and confine my comments to constructive intent. I shall endeavor to do my duty in the protection of a common environment and the preservation of architectural heritage for the sake of the present and future generations. So help me God.
Yung theme natin for this year, which is Habi and Haligi, is also very up for the city of Malolos. With Haligi, we have all the heritage structures here na hindi pa nagigibaha.
I can say na wala po akong nakikitang kulang ngayon. Wala po akong nakikitang kulang. I am very, very, very happy.
By the authority in me vested as UAP Area A Vice President, I now declare the Area A festivities for the Philippine Architecture Festival National Architecture Month duly open.
The architectural community is always needing to educate our Filipino countrymen kung ano ba yung architecture at ano ba yung architects. Through these festivals, ngayon month-long na siya, we're really hoping to reach more kababayan and share with them na ito po ang architecture, ito po ang planning, ito po ang collaboration ng maraming iba't ibang professionals na hindi nyo po dapat ini-skip every time kayo po ay nagpapagawa ng bahay o anumang gusali para sa inyong ikabubuti at kapakanan. Happy at Haligi! Happy Paknam 2025! Woo!